Welcome to our channel. Be exceptional. Today we're going to dive deep into how you can use the law of attraction to manifest your dream life. We'll be covering practical tips and techniques to help you attract the life you've always wanted. Let's get started. The law of attraction is based on the principle that like attracts like. Essentially, the energy you put out into the universe is what you attract back. By focusing on positive thoughts and feelings, you can bring positive experiences and opportunities into your life. Now, let's explore how to apply this powerful principle. First, let's talk about setting clear intentions. This is the foundation of manifesting your dream life. You need to be specific about what you want. Vague desires lead to vague results. Start by writing down your goals. Be as detailed as possible. Instead of saying, "I want to be successful," specify what success looks like to you. For example, I want to be a successful entrepreneur running a business that generates $10,000 a month by the end of this year. Next, visualize your goals. Visualization is a powerful tool that helps you align your thoughts with your desires. Spend a few minutes each day picturing yourself living your dream life. See it, hear it, feel it. Imagine every detail, the sights, sounds, and emotions. The more vividly you can visualize, the stronger the signal you send to the universe. Another key technique is using affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce your goals and help shift your mindset. They help you stay focused and believe in your dreams. Create affirmations that resonate with you. For example, "I am worthy of success and abundance," or "I attract positive opportunities effortlessly." Repeat these affirmations daily with conviction. Gratitude is also essential in the manifestation process. When you express gratitude, you raise your vibration and attract more of what you appreciate. It shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have. Keep a gratitude journal and write down at least 3 things you're grateful for each day. This simple practice can make a significant difference in your energy and mindset. Taking inspired action is crucial. The law of attraction works in tandem with the law of action. While it's important to think positively and visualize your goals, you must also take steps towards achieving them. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Take consistent action, no matter how small. Each step you take brings you closer to manifesting your dream life. Now, let's talk about overcoming limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs are negative thoughts and doubts that can hinder your manifestation process. Identifying and challenging these beliefs is crucial. Start by identifying your limiting beliefs. Write them down and question their validity. Replace them with positive, empowering beliefs. For example, if you believe "I'm not good enough," replace it with "I am capable and deserving of success." Surrounding yourself with positivity is another important aspect. The people you interact with and the environment you're in can significantly impact your energy and mindset. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who uplift and inspire you. Create a positive environment by decluttering your space and adding elements that bring you joy and motivation. Lastly, trust the process and be patient. Manifestation is not always instant. It requires faith, persistence, and a positive attitude. Trust that the universe is working in your favor and that everything is unfolding as it should. Practice mindfulness and stay present. Let go of the need to control every detail. When you trust the process, you open yourself up to receiving your desires in the best possible way. Now, to recap, the key steps to using the law of attraction to manifest your dream life are setting clear intentions, visualizing your goals, using affirmations, practicing gratitude, taking inspired action, overcoming limiting beliefs, surrounding yourself with positivity, and lastly, trust the process. By incorporating these techniques into your daily life, you'll align yourself with the frequency of your desires and attract the life you've always dreamed of. Now, let's delve even deeper into each of these steps and techniques to truly master the law of attraction. First, let's expand on setting clear intentions. Think about what you really want and why you want it. This clarity helps you focus your energy. Write down your goals in the present tense as if they're already happening. For instance, I am living in my dream house by the beach rather than I want to live by the beach. Another technique is to use a vision board. Gather images and words that represent your goals and place them on a board where you can see them daily. This visual representation keeps your goals at the forefront of your mind and enhances your ability to attract them. Next, let's dive deeper into visualization. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Start to imagine your dream life in detail. Feel the emotions associated with achieving your goals. The key is to immerse yourself fully in the experience. Visualization works best when you engage all your senses. What do you see? What do you hear? What do you smell, taste, and feel? The more vivid and real your visualization, the more powerful it becomes. Let's talk more about affirmations. They are more effective when they're specific and positive. Avoid negative words. For example, instead of saying, "I am not stressed," say, "I am calm and relaxed." Repeat your affirmations with confidence, ideally in front of a mirror. Writing your affirmations down also helps. Place them where you can see them regularly, such as on your bathroom mirror, your fridge, or your workspace. This constant reinforcement helps reprogram your subconscious mind. Gratitude is a game changer. It shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, creating a positive feedback loop. Keep a gratitude journal and write down things you're grateful for every day. Be specific. Instead of just writing, "I'm grateful for my family," write, "I'm grateful for the supportive and loving nature of my family." Expressing gratitude can also be done verbally or through meditation. Spend a few minutes each day reflecting on the positive aspects of your life and feeling genuine appreciation for them. Taking inspired action is about listening to your intuition and following through with steps that feel right. The universe responds to your efforts. Even small actions can lead to significant results. Break your goals into actionable steps. Create a plan and set deadlines for yourself. Stay flexible and open to opportunities that may arise unexpectedly. Sometimes the path to your dreams is not linear, and that's okay. Overcoming limiting beliefs is essential for manifesting your dream life. These beliefs often stem from past experiences or societal conditioning. To identify them, pay attention to your self-talk. Whenever you think "I can't" or "I'm not good enough," that's a limiting belief. Challenge these beliefs by asking yourself if they're truly valid. Replace them with positive affirmations. For example, change "I'm not good enough" to "I am capable and deserving of all my dreams." Surrounding yourself with positivity involves not just people, but also your environment. Your surroundings should reflect your goals and desires. Declutter your space and fill it with items that inspire and motivate you. Engage in activities that uplift your spirit. Spend time with people who encourage and support your dreams. Positive interactions and a motivating environment keep your energy high and aligned with your goals. Finally, trusting the process and being patient is key. Manifestation requires faith and persistence. Sometimes it may seem like nothing is happening, but the universe is working behind the scenes. Practice mindfulness to stay present. This helps you let go of anxiety about the future. Trust that everything is unfolding as it should. The universe has perfect timing, and what's meant for you will come at the right moment. To recap, here are the key steps to using the law of attraction to manifest your dream life. Set clear intentions. Visualize your goals. Use affirmations. Practice gratitude. Take inspired action. Overcome limiting beliefs. Surround yourself with positivity and trust the process. By incorporating these techniques into your daily life, you'll align yourself with the frequency of your desires and attract the life you've always dreamed of. Before we finish, I wanted to introduce you to an amazing tool that can help you put all these techniques into practice. It's called the Manifest app. This app is designed to support you in every step of the manifestation process. With the Manifest app, you can set clear goals, visualize your success, track your progress, and maintain your daily affirmations and gratitude practices. It's like having a personal manifestation coach right in your pocket. So, if you're ready to take your manifestation practice to the next level, download the Manifest app today. It's available on both iOS and Android. Check out the link in the description below to get started. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on harnessing the power of your mind. Remember, you have the power to create the life you desire. Until next time, stay positive and keep manifesting your dreams.